Remember the following important points. The C program always begins with function main. It is the first executable statement. The opening brace and the closing brace in the function main stands for begin and end of the function main. The library function printf is used for formatted output to the screen. Suppose we want 10 rupees and 15 naya paisa. Then we should use this printf library function. The semicolon, this one, indicates the end of the statement in C language. The standard library functions are declared in the corresponding header files. We know printf library function is declared in the corresponding header file, namely stdio.h. Thus include them into program using the preprocessor directive #include. We have written this #include stdio.h, which is enclosed by less than greater than sign, in our program. All standard header files are available in the subfolder or subdirectory, namely include, whether it is a Turbo C or Boland C++. There is always one subdirectory, namely include, where the standard header files are available. The compiled version of a standard library functions are stored in lib subfolder or subdirectory. After compilation of source code, the linker links the source code with precompiled library functions and produces an executable file. For compilation of the program, use the menu option project, select project and then select compile. For compilation, linking and execution of the program, use the key combination Ctrl plus F9. That is, press the Ctrl key and then press F9 key. It is a simultaneous action. For compilation and linking and step-by-step execution of the program, use F7 key. The last point is the integer keyword, int keyword, indicates the return value. You see, we have used the int keyword before main. It indicates a return value of the function main. After execution of the program should inform the status to the operating system. Thus, this return value is used. So, return value of function main informs to the operating system about the condition, the status of the program, and that is why we have used this int keyword. Is it clear to you?